Just got to Rain Lake. It was raining on the way up. And this is the day that's supposed to have no rain, but it's stopped now. Ready to go. Veggie salami sandwich on a cheese bun, and it is raining. It is pouring. Hoping that it's a quick one. Kind of not minding the water. That did not last long. Pat cover is on, but kind of enjoying it on the body, so. That didn't last long either. At the first site, number one. Took about 5 hours and 40 minutes. Stopped a little bit for lunch, maybe 10 minutes. But it is beautiful, right on the water. Oh, so beautiful. Gonna set up a hammock right back there. Body feels a little bit like jelly. It rained for, I think over 2 hours, but it's okay. It's kind of stopping. Okay, hammocks are all set up. There's a couple grates, a taller one and a short one, and a privy box not too far. All is good. Lots of bugs. Lots of bugs. Okay, feeling cute. It has been raining for like 5 hours. No fire tonight. About to make some dinner. Just hanging out under this tarp forever. Day 2 lunch is now day 1 dinner because there is no fire. Peanut butter, banana, tortilla, and cheesies, of course. Right, of course. Cheesies. Finally in the hammock. I am soaked. I'm not soaked. My hair is soaked. My feet are wet, but I changed into dry clothes. You can see my socks hanging up there. I've got more socks and other clothes by my feet. Oh, it's still raining. Good morning. It is 9 a.m. You can probably tell it's still raining. I think it's been raining for about 18 hours now. Really don't feel like getting out of this hammock here. I did realize that my pillow gives me kind of a neck ache, so I'm just going to try to rock it without a pillow from now on. I think I'll get up, start packing up in the rain. Okay, so my shoes are still soaked, and I think a lot of my clothes are wet. I do have other clothes, but my shoes being wet means I might as well put on wet socks. But it's starting to die down, and it's beautiful. It's so calm out here. Okay, it's breakfast time. Making some oatmeal as I fight these bugs in literally a sports bra and a bug net because I don't want to put on anything dry because it's still raining. And of course, cheesy swelly wheat for my oatmeal. Oatmeal's with dry blueberries. I have a couple packs. Woke up feeling slightly hungover. I'm not drinking enough water, so I have this electrolytes to add to my water.
How many? Like yours?
It's by Elite Electrolytes. Can't really taste it. It's gonna come in handy. Okay, just leaving North Pincher to Brown, and it stopped raining. I think it's maybe 11 kilometers. Shouldn't be too bad. Getting there, almost at Brown Lake, and it has started raining. Okay, I officially understand Type 2 fun. Past Browns Lake, and there were people in the sites, and we thought we had to continue further, and we are now past Browns Lake. There were no spots available. Literally stopping to cram food in our mouths as much as possible, and we need water. Okay, I feel like I'm done. Oh gosh. This has been a long day and it's still raining. 5 hours later almost. The entire time I've been in Algonquin, it stopped raining for 4 hours. Except for, I think, 3 hours to start on the hike in. Other than that, 4 hours. My last video of the night didn't save for some reason. I figured now is a good time to do a little recap of what happened since I just got stuck in the rain again, like 2 days later on a hike, of course. So what happened after getting to Brown Lake and realizing the first site was taken, second site taken, looking for the third site, there is no third site, and we have now walked kilometers away because the lake is pretty long, so getting to the north end of the lake took a little while. At that point we just decided to continue on and hopefully find a spot available on the next lake, and of course that didn't happen. They were full as well. So at that point, we just decided to keep going because it was freaking pouring, like pouring, and it had been pouring for a while at that point. So we were just like, you know what, screw it. Someone was in our sight. We're not gonna go all the way back to confront them or something. So we just decided to go to the freaking end. It was after getting lost quickly, about 27 kilometers, and it ended up being 9 hours. and so many bugs. It was so swampy and disgusting. I wish I had more video, but of course with the rain, my phone literally stopped working. It was gross. So it was extremely buggy. Bug spray wouldn't even stay on because of all of the water that was pouring down the entire time. My feet were wet from when we set out, so I had blisters by the end. I could like barely walk. And there was about 40 minutes that was just so swampy, and we just had to literally walk through it. There was nowhere to walk where we couldn't get our feet just drenched and literally just walking through mud. And I ended it with just getting naked in the parking lot and changing into some dry clothes. And my saving grace was the miraculous 24-hour A&W that literally saved the day. So, you know, I'm still recuperating, but I can't wait to get back out there.